If you need to contact Namecheap support quickly, this video will show you the fastest way to get help in just about 1 minute. Whether you're dealing with a domain issue, hosting problem, billing question, or anything else on your account, this method will help you find the right support contact and send your message properly. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, look at the top left corner of the page, next to your username, and click Contact Us. This is where Namecheap gives you access to their support options. After that, click Submit Ticket. This will take you to the support form where you can choose the type of issue you're having. Now, from the list of support categories, find the issue that matches your problem. This is important because it helps you contact the correct team faster. Once you locate the right option, copy the email ID shown for that support contact. That email address is what you'll use to send your message. Next, open Gmail in a new tab or window. In the recipient field, paste the email ID you just copied from Namecheap. Then enter a clear subject line that briefly explains your issue. For example, you can write something like domain renewal problem, billing question, or account access issue. After that, describe your issue in context. Keep it clear, direct, and include any important details that will help support understand your request faster. If possible, mention your account information, order number, or exactly what happened and when it happened. Once everything looks good, review your message one last time and then click Send. And that's it. You've contacted Namecheap support using the correct email path and sent a message that should help get your issue resolved faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more 1-minute tutorials like this one.